I don't know the parties. I mean, elections around the corner in Delhi, and I don't know whether BJP or Aam Aadmi Party or any of the party, Congress also, are thinking about traffic. Taking traffic too lightly as a matter of interest for the citizens of Delhi, I think it's a childish thought process, honestly, because I think it's extremely traffic has taken the size of tremendous fear in the minds of Delhiites, because you go anywhere, you'll find traffic everywhere. I mean, you have no idea. Right now, I am going towards my home, and I took a road which is adjacent to Pusa Research Institute, and this road usually remains empty, and I always get a smooth traffic on this road. But today, I mean, I am stuck for last 1 hour, and it is 9:15 p.m. and this is not the usual time for the traffic here. And whenever I come to the office in Daryaganj through Ring Road, I live in Rohini Sector 22, and I have to grapple traffic on at a scary level, honestly, because traffic is something, if these government are not looking or not focusing upon, are not trying to, this is an issue, if they don't take it so seriously, I don't know, but I have this gut feeling, because of this traffic alone, I am not voting for the Aam Aadmi Party this time, because this thing, I have voted for him for last time, and before that previous election also, for last whatever elections that have taken place for last 3 times, I only voted for these Aam Aadmi Party. But this time I am so stuck, I am so helpless in the traffic, and I'm feeling so fed up, frustrated also, that I have also decided not to vote for this party, because if they're not coming up with any roadmap or any comprehensive plan to curtail this harrowing problem of traffic in Delhi, I don't think I'll be voting for this party. They'll have to do something. If they're taking this traffic thing too lightly, it means they're doing a gross mistake here, honestly. They'll have to come up with a comprehensive plan or strategies to combat this traffic problem. Introduce odd and even thing, do whatever you want to do, ban people, I mean, whatever measures can be taken up. I don't know, that I'm nobody to suggest, but there are people to do it, and strategies can be made, but this traffic thing has to be curtailed, because this is taking toll on everybody's health, on the mental health also, because getting stuck for 4 to 5 hours on daily basis in Delhi, it has become a norm now, and this should not be continued, honestly. God, I am so scared. If this goes continued, I don't know whether it will be safe to live in Delhi. I mean, I'll go outside for sure. I mean, you literally stuck in traffic, and totally, you constantly, inhaling the fumes of these vehicles, and along with that, you'll also having some health catastrophe also. God, if Aam Aadmi Party doesn't take any substantial measures to curtail this or rectify this problem, this sole thing, traffic, will cost them some votes, some substantial votes in the forthcoming elections in Delhi. Definitely don't take it too lightly. I'm honestly being very serious. I hope Aam Aadmi Party listens to it and take some serious measures to address the problem. Thank you.